Welcome back to our outdoor kitchen. It's been a little while since we've done one of these videos, and now it's springtime and we've got our new outdoor kitchen set up here in the garden. Joined by Helena, the boss in charge of Do the North, joining us today. What are we going to cook?
We're going to make a rhubarb upside down cake. Obviously a play on the pineapple upside down cake.
Classic.
But yeah, and since the rhubarbs are perfectly ripe right now and we have some in the garden, that's what we're going to go for. We're going to use a Dutch oven, which you can use to pretty much bake anything. It's just a little trickier than in the oven.
Have you done much baking in the Dutch oven before?
A little bit. I've baked some bread in there, and I baked this American style apple pie that comes out really good.
Really good for the culinary trip.
Yeah.
First thing we'll do is prep some rhubarb. Do you want to show us how we would like it cut?
I'm just gonna cut off the ends, and then we need to take off this peel. It's easiest to just use a knife and pull it like this.
What other things can you make out of rhubarb? I've been trying. It was a couple of years ago over COVID. I spent the spring out here, and I really felt like I tried rhubarb in every different way possible.
Oh, right, when you were out here by yourself?
Yeah, and I got so sick of the taste of rhubarb, so I think this will be the first time in a couple of years I've actually eaten rhubarb.
Obviously like a rhubarb crumble, super delicious. We call saft in Swedish, like cordial with rhubarb, often with strawberries. For the summer, we're gonna make a rhubarb compote for our French toast that we do on all our guided kayaking trips.
That's gonna be nice. Nice to have, again, like you said, some tartness to go along with the sweetness of the toast.
Yeah, definitely. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put in some butter. We're gonna melt that on the fire. Gonna add some brown sugar, and then take that off again and place all these rhubarbs in a
Nice
pretty pattern that Rob is spearheading.
We'll see if it turns out that way.
Exactly sure how much heat we got going on here. Oh, it's pretty hot. It should melt.
So you're trying to make caramel, or are you just melting the butter and mixing in the sugar at this point?
At this point, we're just melting the butter and putting in the sugar, and then as it cooks with the butter, it's gonna turn into the caramel. Okay, so now all the butter is melted, so we're gonna spread out this brown sugar kind of evenly, and use my fingers since they kind of clump together easily. And over the fire, you always have the problem that some parts are hotter than others, which is happening.
The reality
right here.
Cooking over the fire.
Yeah.
I'm a terrible baker myself, let alone over the fire, hence why I'm letting you take a lead on this, because I have no idea or no say in it.
Yep.
So now our butter and sugar's on the fire, kind of caramelizing and making a syrup. Before we put in our rhubarb, what kind of cake mixture are we going to do?
This is a super simple cake batter where we're actually going to do the egg yolks and egg whites separate to get a little bit of a fluffier situation. So we're going to whisk some egg yolks, add sugar to that. We're going to whisk the egg whites separately. And then we have a flour, baking powder and salt mixture that we're going to add.
Oh, so we do have like a baking powder, because I was wondering what was going to be the raisin agent other than the egg whites.
But before we do that, we're going to get that off the fire. We're going to arrange these rhubarbs, and then we can just set that aside.
Make a nice pattern.
Yeah.
Looks good.
That looks good. Smells good.
It smells really good.
Smells like a Christmas candy. Knack.
So, we're arranging these now?
Yeah. That's all you, man.
Well, we'll see. Let's see what happens. So, what we're thinking is... I think that's going to... Do we want more in there, or maybe a couple pieces down at the bottom?
Squeeze one more in.
Yeah, maximum rhubarb
in
here. Yeah, that's good.
Total rhubarb.
Total rhubarb.
Okay.
Exactly.
All right, we're just going to put this aside for a second while we make the batter.
So what's the first stage on our batter?
Okay, I figure we can double team this. So I'm going to put you on egg whites. We get 2 egg whites. Stiff peaks, please.
I pulled the short straw here.
Stiff peaks. And I got 2 egg yolks. I'm just
gonna get this over here because it's gonna be very loud.
Oh yeah. Just gonna whisk this till they get a little beat up, and then I'm gonna gradually add some sugar. I feel like I need another yolk, man. I want another yolk.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll hold down the fork. You can
Yeah.
run in and grab another yolk. Soft peaks.
Okay. Yeah, I just got a feeling that was not enough yolk for all that sugar, so I'm going rogue here.
It's good. This is my kind of baking. This is why I can't bake. I can't stick to the recipe. I do it by eye and I'm like, oh, maybe a little bit more salt or more flour.
There's a million things that can go wrong with this recipe, but I don't think another yolk will be it.
Yeah, exactly. How hard do you want the peaks, chef?
I want them stiff, real stiff. Above your head stiff.
Yeah? Oh no. Maybe above your head stiff.
Alright, I'm gradually gonna add the sugar. I still feel like this is so much sugar for this amount of yolks, but...
Oh, I'm getting egg in my beer.
Oh no.
That's not good. I was half hoping it was going to fall out.
That would have been.
Yeah, it would have been good.
That would have been good. I've been whisking longer than you have. Yeah.
Tap me in.
Then we're gonna add a little bit of. It's kind of like half and half.
Yeah. Half and half milk. Milk and cream.
Yeah. You don't call it that in
Well,
America?
it's a very North American
Oh, sorry.
term, I think, half and half. But I don't think you can buy it anywhere else
Yeah,
in
yeah.
America.
Yeah, you can't buy it. Say like cooking cream then.
Cooking cream. Mm-hmm. Do you want me to?
Yeah, flour, baking powder, salt.
Mm-hmm. Also, something you don't have to deal with much in the kitchen is the wind blowing your ingredients away.
And once you add the flour to a dough, you don't want to overwork it.
So you don't bring out the gluten too much.
Man, this, I don't know
More milk.
about all this.
I love it. Doesn't look like any cake batter I've ever seen.
Maybe I should have tried out the recipe first. But we still have the
Yeah,
to
we still
fold
got
it.
it.
We're gonna be alright.
Shall I? Yeah. Why not?
Soften it up a little bit.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Just any liquid is what I'm going for here.
Carbonation would probably be good for it anyway.
Yeah.
That'd be good.
Totally. Alright, now I think we can fold in some whites. Let's get a little more in there. Alright. Okay, this is
This is the test kitchen, isn't it?
we've gone rogue on a couple of parts of this recipe already, so we'll see how it goes.
I think it's going to turn out perfectly.
Yeah, perfect.
I have total faith in this.
Yep.
I'll let you do the honours and pour.
Okay. All right.
Looks good.
We're gonna put the lid on. Pop it on. Bah!
Nice.
And then we want to find some little charcoal pieces that we can put on top. There we go.
The important stuff.
Yeah.
Then,
What is it?
We're drinking beer.
yeah. Not the best, but it
Yeah,
does the work.
it's
on
not a
sunny
fancy
day.
beer, but yeah, we're gonna be cooking for a while today. So
Get a few beers in. So the cake's done?
yeah,
Yeah. Now it's time to flip it out?
Yeah.
What's the plan? To flip it onto here?
I think we're gonna take it out with the paper.
Mm-hmm.
We have the lid, since that's the correct size.
Yeah.
We'll
Flip it upside down.
flip
to
it
that.
onto that.
Okay. You grab the pot, I'll grab the lid.
All right. Yeah,
Looks good.
looks nice
Yeah.
and caramelly.
Came out really good.
Yeah. Isn't it insane how warm it gets
Yeah.
from those?
Because there's a good
Pieces of
distance
it, yeah.
as well from the...
Do a little flipperoo. Oh, this way?
Yeah,
Oh,
so
right.
it's onto my hand. There we go. Mine.
Ooh!
Beautiful.
Beautiful! All right.
Look at that. Wow.
Yeah.
Came out really good. We're all covered in ash now, but
Oh yeah.
looks so nice.
Man, I think this is gonna be good.
Yeah.
I kind of wanna just taste a little bit of the
Yeah.
batter since I was a little dubious on that.
See if you can taste the beer.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah?
Coming good.
Nice.
Oh, you can pick some out from here.
Yeah, yeah, rather than the actual cake, guys. Come on now. Presentation.
Oh, the rhubarb is super yummy.
Mm. Wow, yum.
Right?
So nice.
Yeah.
That turned out so good. So we're going to leave it to cool for a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going?
Yeah.
All right, it's time to plate up the dessert. It looks pretty good. I
Yeah,
think.
it came out really, really good.
And our sampling earlier was really
Yeah.
good. I'm just gonna whip up some cream. In the cream, I put vanilla sugar, some caster sugar, just a tiny bit of salt. I always do that.
Yeah.
Makes it
Nice.
better. So I'm just gonna whip. Cream's all nice, stiff peaks here.
Yeah, looks good.
All right, let's make a slice.
Yeah, you gonna trust me
Yeah.
to make the perfect slice?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, what are we thinking? Something like that?
Yeah.
Ooh, rhubarb is nice and soft. Looks good. Do we have something to?
No, we don't.
My hands and action. Oh, this is why you wanted me to do this. Give me the difficult challenge of getting
I
a
believe
pretty first slice.
I believe in you. There you go.
Oh,
I knew I could
almost.
trust you. That can be pieced together. No,
The
nobody
magic
is the
of,
wiser.
Looks good.
All right, put a little
Yum.
healthy,
Mm-hmm. Healthy amount
Serving.
of cream.
Yeah.
That's what we want.
and then I actually
Oh, we do have some
did find some powdered
Icing
sugar.
sugar.
Hang on.
just to cover our.
There we go.
Makes it all look so professional.
And then a little bit of couple of violets.
Mm-hmm. Some nice colour.
And here we go. We got some rhubarb upside down cake and whipped cream and some wood violets.
I'm going to dig in.
Yeah.
This looks so good. We might have to share a spoon. 'Cause
Yeah.
I'm not
Let's
going
do
to get
it.
one. The cake batter turned out so good for how freestyle it was.
Yeah.
Adding beer and more eggs and a bit more flour and not enough sugar, and
I had
it
a
turned out
feeling
really, really
something
good.
was off with it, so we just
And-
went for it.
but I think the use of rhubarb instead of like pineapple is so much better.
Yeah.
Like it's the sharpness from it. You want these,
That is
you want
good.
these jammy bits on the side.
Cameraman,
Yep.
you want us?
I can take this and you can have a slice.
Yeah.
That's very good.
It's so good.
Come on.
See, that's your pay for the whole shoot.
Yeah.
So good.